Hello guys, this is Angelo from Hawking Eagle Energy. I am doing an audit today. You see those leaves? They have a problem. They create damage. Moisture. Water has no way to flow. Oh, exhaust vent. Oh, another one. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Uh-oh, what else can I find out here? You guys paying attention? Maintenance. Oh, gable vent. Now this is a townhome. Uh-oh, more rot. Okay, there's more. Wait. We're gonna pull up, we're gonna go around. Moisture is the leading cause of damage in the southeast. It's moisture. Look at that under there. Yep. Maintenance, y'all. Here's another one. Watch this. Show that. Yeah. Overflow. Look at that. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yep. You know what you need to do. You got gutters, you gotta clean them. Oh yeah. All right. We're gonna be done with the outside. Let's go inside. Here you go. Transition. All gable vent. We got soffit vents and a ridge vent on top. So we gotta close that gable vent. Oh, no flashing? Wow. Who built this? Who built this? All right. Let's access the attic. Let's see what we find. Always recommend an attic tent. It'll reduce the temperatures from entering the home. Oh, what is that? That is a whole. Let's go back. Go back. Plywood. Let's remove all this plywood. Uh-oh. Trash. Your attic's not meant for storage. Oh, get a hole. Oh, man. Don't slip and fall down there. But the amount of airflow entering our home through the attic, and depending on the season. Oh, okay with that. Those are the soffit vents. Bathroom fan. Disconnected. Yeah, that's not on there. No, and then there's no exhaust vent going to the outside there. So, all right, there's more. There is more. Try not to fall in this hole too. All right. Yep, that microbial growth. You see that? Yeah. Oh yeah, it is a mastic. So now that's the supply here. Oh, garbage. I don't know why anybody would leave this up there, sitting on the insulation. Oh, more plywood. The more plywood you have inside your attic, the less comfortable it'll be inside your home. Yeah. Yeah, that insulation need to be replaced. It's been there over 2 decades. And that's the return there. All right, so this is a return. Tape, mastic. You need to add that mastic
This is aluminum reflective tape. This is the mastic compound. So he got mastic along here, but not along there. And then he also didn't even tape the stop right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom in.
All right, so 1/4 of this return is open. So here I am now, adding tape across the complete return underneath the bottom here. So I couldn't get my fingers in there, and I didn't want to move this unit. So I use tape and a painter stick. Like a 1.5 painter tape in order to press it against the return here. So, but this has been sucking in attic dust and temperatures and microbial growth that's been sitting around.
Work, brother.
Once microbial growth starts, it's in the atmosphere. So, but this is a cleanup.
All right.
Remove that microbial growth in the back. Added fresh tape and also added mastic around those seams. Again, your home was built with a profit. It's up to you to do the upgrades to your unit. And so I use a little painter's brush. I want to paint that on. Again, this system should be tight because it's in an unconditioned space. So if you haven't had a home health check, give me a shout at www.hawkingeaglenergy.com. You guys have a blessed day.